कल मैंने इस आर्टिकल पर अपना भाषण शुरू किया था। स्पीकर ने कहा था कि इसे रूल के मुताबिक किया जाए, तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूं। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूं ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूं, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूं। तो
okay,
माने
Give it authenticated.
सर, दिस
please
इज
table it.
table it, please.
Please table it. We
Speaker,
will
sir,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman, right?
And
Chairman, sir, I have authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, a very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and...
Sir, I'm once again... No, please.
No, sir.
One second.
Sir.
No, one second. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I'm requesting LOP to please restrict himself to the speech of the Honorable President.
Let us not mislead the House. Let us clear the confusion. Today also I had requested both Venugopalji and Gauravji also. We are patiently waiting to listen to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. The matter which was referred to just now, yesterday the Chair has given a ruling. On the paper on which he has authenticated, that is tabled in the House. But what I'm saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday, he can't be quoting same matter again in a pretext of making a reference indirectly. He cannot refer on the same matter. Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Sir, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister is trying to mislead the House. Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir, when Honorable LOP is standing...
He quoted me.
Sir, when Honorable LOP is standing...
I want to give a clarification.
When Honorable LOP is standing, you are
Please allow me
speaking.
to give a clarification, sir.
No.
Please allow me. 1 minute.
No, sir, when Honorable LOP is standing, you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak.
What
He's
is
already
this, sir?
started his speech, sir.
Sir,
He
what
started
is
his
this?
speech, sir. Let him speak.